Are you a photographer?
Yeah.
Why are you taking our photo?
No, a
journalist.
Come on, take. Yes, I'm a journalist.
Are you a journalist?
Yes.
Can I see your ID?
My ID is not here.
Wanafanya nini?
No, I've been in the circle so long, not now.
Can I see your ID by the way?
Just wait a second,
Wewe,
sir.
tutapaswa kitu hii.
No, don't do that, please. You don't have to do that.
Why are you doing?
Journalists have been with you.
You have to
all
get
the way.
serious with your camera. I will break it off.
No, listen. I can take it away if you don't like it.
But
Bring
why
your
are you
ID.
taking
No,
our photo?
I've not even done it. Look.
So how can I?
Let me show you. I will show you. I've not even done it. It's just running like that. There's nothing yet.
Give me cigarettes.
Pardon?
Cigarettes.
Now you guys, I was with your president on what? Your commander-in-chief on Friday. You understand?
Give me first.
You do your thing, but I don't want you to make noise with me like that. Okay?
There's no problem. There's no problem.
That's enough.
Thank you.
Brenda. Oh,